In this video, you learn how to use the simple and yet powerful features of the BCU Library Search box. Start by opening the library website, bcu.ac.uk/library, in your web browser. In the search box, enter terms separated by spaces and press return or click the search button. The search results open in a new tab or window. You can change the default Everything option to the type of resource you're looking for: physical resources for paper books or multimedia items, online resources such as ebooks, only journal articles, or previous BCU students' work. You can also use the voice search button to dictate your query using your device's microphone. Harvard referencing. Remember to sign in to access full text online and more features. To start another query within the same window, click the Clear Search Text button and enter new terms. Filter options and suggestions appear under the search box as you type. Select an option to submit the new query. You can learn more about the search results page on the BCU Library Search help page linked below. That's it for now. Let us know how we could improve this video using the feedback link.